As an oculoplastic surgeon, I not only perform eyelid surgery, but I also am an expert when it comes to Botox injections. I've trained countless residents, fellows, young doctors in the industry about safe techniques when it comes to Botox, and I also perform those techniques in my own practice on a daily basis. Botox is the most commonly performed non-surgical procedure in the United States, year to year. And Botox is used to improve the facial expressions to a point that these wrinkles get better with these injections. In this particular patient, you can see how before and after, her face is a lot more shinier, there's less wrinkles that are present, her brows are a little bit lifted. These are areas that Botox really helps with. If you're interested in Botox and are curious about having it done, make sure you seek someone that's an expert in Botox injections, understands the facial anatomy, because it's not a cookie cutter procedure. Everyone deserves a unique and customized approach, even when it comes to Botox. So I look forward to meeting with you in our office when it comes to your next Botox injection.